Welcome back to the Tech Infopedia. In this video, we will discuss how we can modify a table, how we can delete data from a table, and what's the difference between delete and truncate. Basically, delete is a reversible process. We can roll back deletion from a table. If we are using transaction, then we can revert back. We can roll back or we can commit. If we are good to go with that transaction, then we perform the commit, otherwise we roll back the transaction. But truncate could not be reverted. For deletion, SQL Server creates logs through which we can revert back, but truncate has no logs. That's why truncate is a fast process. Delete is comparatively slow. Let's get started with the query writing. We have a table students which contains the information of students in a table. For example, if we have to update the city against student ID 4, we will do like this: update students, set city is equals to Multan, where student ID is equal to 4. It got updated and it will reflect like this. Here we can see student Talha belongs to the city Multan now. Let's suppose if we are going to delete begin transaction, delete from table name students, where student ID is greater than 5. In this scenario, we will see it will delete 2 rows. All the IDs, all the students those have ID greater than 5. 6 and 7 got deleted. But here we have used transaction. Here we have 2 options. If we want to revert, we will roll back this, and now all 7 rows will be available in our table. We can update some data. Let's suppose if we have to update the city, or for example all the students are hostalized and we have to update their home address with their hostel address, we can do it simply: update student, set home address is equal to National University of Science and Technology, Islamabad, ISB. Here we can see the result of our select query. It's very generic, all belongs to University of Islamabad. If we have to add the particular information, for example if the ID is the room number as well, we can use this query: update student, set home address is equals to concatenation operator. Here room number is, and we add the column std underscore id comma nest Islamabad. And here we go. Now we can see the result. Now it looks like proper address. Room number 1 Nast Islamabad, room number 2 Nast Islamabad, room number 3, and so on. So if we have to delete some data from this table, delete from table, where stdid is equal to 4. Delete. Static from students, and now record 4 is not available. If we use truncate statement, truncate table student, it will delete all the data from this table. Now we couldn't retrieve that data. There is no record in this table. If we need to drop the table, we will use drop table students, and here we go. Table has been dropped. Now we can cross verify student, and it will throw an error message, invalid object. It means table does not exist. That's all for today. Thank you so much.